Here I have INFINIX Hot 11S, and today I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset operation on this device. So to do this, all I need to do is to just hold down power key plus volume down for about 5 or 7 seconds, and after that your device will be forcefully restarted. And that's like what soft reset is about. You just restart your device forcefully in case if it's like frozen or lagging too much, and that's how it's done, yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.